A good topic sentence tells the reader the main idea of a paragraph clearly and directly. For adult English learners, the most useful topic sentence is usually short, specific, and easy to understand. It should introduce one central point, not several unrelated ideas at once. A strong topic sentence often begins with a simple subject and a clear controlling idea. For example, the sentence can show what the paragraph is about and what the writer wants to explain, compare, describe, or argue. This helps the reader know what to expect, and it helps the writer stay focused. One helpful method is to ask, what is this paragraph really about? Then turn the answer into one complete sentence. If the paragraph is about healthy eating, the topic sentence might be, healthy eating can improve energy and concentration. If the paragraph is about learning a new language, it might be, learning English takes time, practice, and patience. A topic sentence should not be too broad. A sentence like exercise is important is clear, but it is too general for a full paragraph unless the paragraph explains a very broad topic. It should also not be too narrow. If the sentence gives too much detail, the paragraph may have nowhere to go. A good topic sentence leaves room for examples, facts, and explanation. It is also useful to place the topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph, especially for learners. This makes the paragraph easier to read and organize. After the topic sentence, each supporting sentence should connect to the main idea and add new information. If a sentence does not support the topic sentence, it may belong in another paragraph. Adult learners can improve their topic sentences by reading them aloud and checking 3 things. First, is the main idea clear? Second, is it one idea only? Third, does it match the rest of the paragraph? If the answer is yes, the topic sentence is probably effective. With practice, writing topic sentences becomes easier. The goal is not fancy English, but clear direction. A good topic sentence guides the reader and gives the paragraph a strong beginning.